Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel Pro Chemistry GA. And today we are here to discuss a very important reaction according to the JEE Mains Chemistry. And this is very important for JEE Advanced as well. This reaction is called benzoin condensation. Today we are going to discuss the organic mechanism of the benzoin condensation, and we'll see that how this particular product is formed. Okay, so we'll just check that how this particular complex product is formed from this normal benzaldehyde. So this is nothing but, if you can see, this is normal benzaldehyde. So when benzaldehyde, okay, when you see this benzaldehyde is treated with casein in presence of basic medium, then we get this particular kind of product which is known as benzoin condensation. So the mechanism of the reaction will start with the nucleophilic attack of Cn minus over the delta positive center of the C double bond O. If you can see, we have negative charge here, delta positive and delta negative here. This is the nucleophile. This will choose the negative positively charged center, and the double bond will break in this direction. So eventually what happens, nucleophile attacks and the bond shift in the upper direction. So we have negative charge on the oxygen, single bond. The double bond was there, but it got converted into the single bond. H was already there, so H will be there, and new group, that is Cn, got attached to the carbon. You can see this is the new bond. Okay, and the next step is very important. Initially the negatively charged Cn minus ion is acting as a nucleophile, and this is acting as a base. Here it is acting as a base. So this base, you can see, this base attacks, and the base has a function to abstract proton. So this will abstract the proton from here, and this will just attack here. Okay, so the abstraction of proton from the alpha position of the withdrawing group. Can you see, this is a withdrawing group. Cn is a withdrawing group, Cn is a withdrawing group. Carbon attached next to Cn is alpha position of the withdrawing group, and the hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon is known as alpha hydrogen. And we know that the alpha hydrogen is acidic in nature, so it has acidic hydrogen. So acidic hydrogen will be abstracted by the base. So base will take away the hydrogen, and after getting the hydrogen removed, we'll just move to the another structure that is very simple to understand. Now it will get a negative charge. We know that the carbon, if suppose we have carbon hydrogen bond and the hydrogen get removed by some base, say base is taking away this OH minus ion, so H is taken away by this particular base. In fact, the arrow will be in the opposite direction, this way. So OH will take away this particular base, then this carbon will get negative charge, because this goes in form of H plus, and the carbon becomes negative charge. So carboanion will be formed. So this is the carboanion we are getting here. Okay, I think it is clear. It is very clear to everyone. Makes sense. And after that, this negative charge will attack here. So this carbon has delta positive and this carbon has delta negative. Since this is the negatively charged center, so this will attack over the positively charged center. The bond will again move in the direction of oxygen, and we'll get this particular structure. So this hydrogen, the hydrogen which was abstracted in the previous step, will get attached to the O negative, so it becomes OH. This bond was earlier there. The new bond formed by the other molecule is this one. We got CO minus, and H was there. Again we have benzene ring. So this entire group is here only. Okay, and the C double bond O got converted into single bond, and a new group that was earlier added, that is Cn, is still there. Okay, next step is deprotonation or proton transfer, removal of proton. We can tell that the H will go and the double bond will form, and the leaving group will leave. Eventually this carbon gets converted into C double bond O, that is keto group, and we have CHOH formed from this particular structure. So this is our final product, and the overall reaction is known as benzoin condensation. I hope you understand, you like the video. If you understand the mechanism in a very easy manner, just like the video, share the video, and send this video to those who are actually in need and who are preparing for JEE Advanced 2026. Certainly we have live classes as well, one-to-one doubt session, everything we have. So please try to connect with us, and certainly it will be helpful for you, so that, and we'll be actually helping you just to get your dream to get into IITs. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.